Okay, so now that this design is done, and we see that we have many unused channels, 9 in total. In theory, we should be able to reduce the frame count by 2 by moving channels between rooms. And if we look at the overview, we can see that we had 2 free channels in Northwest 3 and we had 2 free channels in Northeast 3. So if we could take channels from either some of the press box channels or concession stand channels and move from one room to the other. So keeping this in mind, so it was the PB and the NCS that we should look at. So back to Café. So on Northwest 3 I have 7 frames and 2 spares, and on Northeast 3 I have 5 frames and 2. So I'd like to move 2 channels from Northwest. That's where the press boxes were if we look at this view, press boxes. So 2 of those, let's remember that. Go in here again and we go to zones. There. And now PB, I have actually already played around with the press boxes, so currently we have 10 of the press boxes driven from west and 2 from east. So what I'll do is I'll reduce the number of channels there from 10 to 8 and then increase press boxes driven from east by 2, so I have 4 instead. So here we say rather than 10 instances, I'll have 8. I go back, and on the other, now you see it says 8 here, I go into the other one, and I'll bump up so 2 instances from that. So if we now go to amplifications, we'll see that we have the Northeast is not done, and I have a complete frame unused here, so I'll take that away and go into the Northeast 3. And you see here are the 2 new that weren't signed. So I can either manually put them there. Yeah, I'll do that, that's fast. Okay, so now if we go out, we have reduced the frame count by 1, so we're at 46. We could do a similar exercise if we look on the 3rd floor here. We could move some of the concession stand channels or VIP suite channels from west to east or vice versa.